Hi, my name is Sergey and I'm a native Russian speaker. In this video, we're going to talk about E and U in Russian. E and U. You do have E in English, but U could be a bit more challenging. By the way, this is the lesson number 7 in the series of the lessons on the Russian letters and sounds. If you don't want to miss any new videos, please subscribe to the channel. So, how do you pronounce E in Russian? Well, in English there are two E sounds. E as in seat and E as in sit. Seat, sit. Sit, sit. Beat, bit. Beat, bit. Well, I hope I pronounced these two sounds correctly because, well, for us, for Russian speakers, they sound almost the same and it's so hard for us to pronounce seat and sit. So, E as in seat is long and tense. It sounds like this. E, E. And E as in sit is short, lazy and relaxed. It sounds more like this. E, E. So the Russian E is something in between. It's tense, but it's short. It sounds like this. E, E, E. You don't have to make it long, like E, E. No, in Russian it's normally just E, E. Now let's practice reading some syllables with E. Now listen to me and repeat. You can pause the video in order to repeat after me. V, V, V. T, T, T. D, D, D. C, C, C. Li, Li, Li. Ki, Ki, Ki. Alright, now how do you pronounce U in Russian? Well, it might be a bit tricky because you don't have U in English, so it takes some time to learn how to pronounce U, and it takes some time for your mouth, lips, throat to get used to pronouncing this sound. It's just about developing muscle memory. What you need to know about U is that it resonates somewhere here in your throat rather than in your mouth. Most vowels, especially in English, they resonate somewhere in your mouth, but U, it resonates here. U. It starts from your throat. So there are some tips and tricks that can help you. Tip number 1. Imagine that you've been hit in your stomach. Yeah, when I said that you don't have U in English, well, it's not really true, because you do have U in English, but you use it very rarely. Maybe you haven't ever used it in your life. Have you ever been punched in your stomach? Well, if you have, then you have used this sound, because when you are punched in your stomach, what you say is U, U. Imagine that someone hit you in your stomach. What do you say? You say U. When someone punches you in your stomach, you don't say I, you say U, U. And this U is exactly what we say in Russian. Tip number 2. Pronounce U and then smile. You will notice that U turns into U. U, U. Can you hear it? So if you can, then you found U. Tip number 3. Pronounce E and make a very wide and stupid smile, like this. E. This sound is very similar to Russian U. Tip number 4. Say U like a zombie. Well, have you ever watched a zombie movie? What do zombies say? They say So this zombie sound, it really resonates in their throat. So if you want to learn how to say something with your throat, speak like a zombie. It doesn't sound exactly like U, but it gives you some understanding where U comes from. And another tip, try saying E and then changing your tongue position. When you say E, the tip of the tongue touches your lower teeth. E, the tongue is here. It's like this. But when you say you pull your tongue back. It's like Try this. Now let's try reading some syllables with "ı". We are going to read some syllables with "i" and "ı". "I" and then "ı". Mi, мы, ми, мы. Ки, кы, ки, кы. Ти, ты, ти, ты. Ви, вы, ви, вы. Ни, ны, ни, ны. Ри, ры, ри, ры. Сы, си, сы, си. Хи, хы, хи, хы. Би, бы, би, бы. Ги, гы, ги, гы. Ди, ды, ди, ды. Зи, зы, зи, зы. Ли, лы, ли, лы. Пи, пы, пи, пы. Фи, фы, фи, фы. Now look at these syllables. Please note that we always pronounce them as жи, ши, жи, ши. But we write them with «и», not with «ы». It's just a spelling rule. For example, живот, живот, шила, шила. Now look at this syllable. Чи. We always pronounce it as чи, чи. The letter che can be followed by «ы». Then let's take this syllable. We always read it as ци with «ы». But we do write it with «и». So we write it with «и» but pronounce it with «ы». It's just a spelling rule. For example, нарцисс, нарцисс. It's not нарцисс, нарцисс. It's нарцисс, нарцисс. And now let's practice reading some real Russian words with «и» and «ы». Ты, ты. It means you. Вы, вы. It also means you. Well, in Russian we have two you words. Ты means you in singular and вы, you in plural. And also we say ты to someone who we know, like friends, and вы is a formal way of saying ты. Мы, мы. It means we. Мило, мило. It means sweet or nice. By the way, we have the word мило, мило, which is pronounced exactly like Mila, Mila. And this word Mila is a female name. Мыло, мыло. It means soap. Рыба, рыба. Рыба is fish. Килограмм, килограмм. Well, I think you know what it means. Был, был. Well, был is a very common Russian verb. It means was, like I was. Вино, вино. Вино means wine. Irina, Irina. Irina is a common female Russian name. Marina, Marina is another common female Russian name. I made a PDF file for you with some exercises. You can download it. The link is below the video in the description box. Well, I hope you like this lesson, and if you do, please hit the like button and please subscribe to the channel if you don't want to miss any new videos. And see you next time. Bye!